Hello everyone, it's Jonathan here, founder of Driving Academy, and if you're watching this video, that means that you are interested in getting your ELDT passenger certification all complete. So in this video, we're going to give you the step-by-step guide on exactly how to get your ELDT passenger certification. Now, that was a whole lot of letters there. Let's explain exactly what that means. So ELDT stands for Entry-Level Driver Training. Now, this is something that came into effect of 2022 in February. Since February of 2022, everybody who wants to get a CDL license has to go through the new ELDT requirements. And if you're looking to get a passenger endorsement, say you have a Class A already or a Class B, and you want to add that passenger endorsement again, or for the first time I should say, in that case you're going to have to go through the entire process of the ELDT. So let's talk about exactly what that looks like. Step number one, you're first going to have to study to pass the written exams for their CDL permit to get your passenger endorsement done. Now, while you're studying, you want to make sure that you're signing up for an ELDT passenger training course. So here at Driving Academy, we do offer that for all of our students who want to get a passenger endorsement here with CDL Class B with us here, which means you're going to go through some type of classroom training or online virtual training. Then once you complete that training, we're then going to send the requirements to your local DMV to make sure that you're able to go and take the written exam to pass at least at 80% or higher for the passenger written exam done. Right? Without getting certified by an actual training provider, all you're going to do is you're going to study for the ELDT, or you're going to study for the passenger endorsement for that written exam. The DMV is not going to allow you to actually take the written exam simply because you did not get certified by a school. And for passenger endorsement, is one of the endorsements that you must get certified before you can go to an actual DMV. So if you don't have an actual driving school to go to yet, definitely come to the best one in the country. Here at Driving Academy, we are the best of the best. All you gotta do is give our team a call at 908-525-3609. We can enroll you no matter what state that you're calling in from, and we can definitely help you out. So that's step number one. Step number two is now we have to get you certified in the practical road test itself. The road test is going to be split into three different parts. Part number one is all about inspecting the truck. Part number two is all about parking the truck 6 different ways. Part number three is going to be driving the truck on the road itself. Or in your case, if you want the passenger endorsement, just substitute the word truck for bus. So that being said, you're going to have to go through the training program. Again, we're going to have to make sure that you are certified in all three of those sections when it comes to the theory, pre-trip, parking, and road itself. And once you actually have completed the certification at the school, now the school can then submit your information to the DMV, and then the DMV will allow you to take the road test itself. Now, the cool thing about being a student here at Driving Academy is you do not have to deal with the DMV when it comes to going for the road test. Our Driving Academy Linden location has a third-party testing site that gives you the ability to actually get tested by our own staff members, which means it took me about 2 years to get this thing approved. We had to hire our own examiners, train them up, get them certified by the state. Now we're able to give the test no matter where you're coming from. That's right. So you can be coming from California, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Florida, Hawaii, Alaska, it doesn't matter. We can get you trained, get you tested, and then you just have to go back to your local state to get your CDL license. Now you might be saying, well, John, I already have my Class B. All I want is my passenger endorsement. Do I really have to go through all that? Now the answer is yes. You have to pass the written test, make sure you get certified before you do that, and you have to pass the entire road test again, which, like I said, is 2.5 hours long. So it's definitely not an easy walk in the park, but if you go with a school like ours that can guarantee that you walk with CDL license with our guaranteed training programs, that means we're going to give you unlimited tries at the road test itself. Then there's going to be no sweat. We take all the fear out of it, no matter how much experience you have or how much experience you do not have. So if you want more information, give our team a call at 908-525-3609 or check out our website at cdldrivingacademy.com. Again, cdldrivingacademy.com. Thanks. Have a great day. Hey, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, make sure you hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel. It's really going to help us out. Click on that button. And if you want to continue yourself on your road to freedom, here's more videos to watch. There's endless amounts. Hopefully we get to see each other one day very soon. Thanks.